Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP-4000, your Epson XP-4100 and your Epson XP-4200 when it's printing with lines running through it. So if your printout has lines running through it, I'll show you how to sort it. On the main screen here on your printer, come all the way here to maintenance, press OK. Then you first want to print head nozzle check, press OK. You need to make sure you have paper loaded, we do, so we can just press OK to print. It will then print us a nozzle check page. Now this one's come out relatively fine, let me show you that, apart from the colours. As you can see, I think my blue's running out, so I need to check that. However, if it comes out like this, and with all lines running through it, what you want to do is look on the screen here and it says check the printed pattern and select the closer result. So let's say mine was like this here, we'd press right here to select the X because this is closest to ours, and then we'll press OK. Then you'd select, it says here, select the pattern that looks the most similar to the printed pattern and perform the instruction. Left pattern, cleaning, right pattern, power cleaning. So we'd come down, select the pattern what's closer to yours. So let's say it was this one here, you'd just select cleaning. You'd press OK. What would happen then? You wouldn't be able to turn the printer off. It'd process into a cleaning process, and that would normally take around 3 minutes, something like that, and then it would print out one of these nozzle checks. So if it was like that, you want it to come out more like that. Obviously, I think in this case my blue has just run out. However, you want that black to be sorted like that and all the text to be printed properly. If you're still getting lines, you want to run it again because you don't want it running like that. And you want to make sure your ink levels are all up to standard and up to a level and there's nothing run out. Then leave it 24 hours. That's what it'll recommend. It'll say contact Epson. However, just run this process again and hopefully that solves any issues you're having with any printout with lines running through it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.